How to remove song from Instagram post after posting. So to see the backup photos in Google Photos, it's quite simple and easy. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open the Google Photos app. Once you open it, you need to launch the Google Photos app on your smartphone, or you can easily visit the Google Photos website on your PC as well, and make sure to sign in on your Google account that is associated with your Google Photos backup. Then to access your backups, you can easily tap on the library. So it might be labeled as photos or albums depending on the version of the app as well. So by going towards this library, you can easily view your backups. So on the website also, you can easily proceed towards the any kind of browser, and on the web browser also you can simply open a new tab, and on the new tab you can easily search for photos.google.com. And once it opens, and on this page also you will easily find out the backup photos in Google Photos browser. You simply need to select the three line at the top left corner and select the account associated with the backup photos in Google Photos. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.